Just recently I discovered mood rings, and a couple of days after my order arrived, I took them to a primary school where a whole bunch of grade 3 and 4 students made some awesome stuff with my new mood rings. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at that! Pretty awesome. Spinner on a spinner with 2 mood rings. There we go. Looking cool. Oops. Awesome, girl. Cool, cool. Look at that go. Woohoo. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look at that go.